But after dominating India's mid-sized motorcycle market, Eicher Motors has now set its sight on expanding overseas through its Royal Enfield brand. The company is looking to expand aggressively in Latin American markets and is even planning to set up a manufacturing plant there. Sumit Chaturvedi caught up with Eicher Motors MD Siddharth Lal. Here's a slice of that conversation.
Like I said, we divide the rest of the world other than India into two. So one is, let's say, emerging markets, and one is rich countries. In rich countries, it's very, very clear that UK is our nucleus. That's where we were born, that's where the brand is from, and we want to be successful in the UK. It's not only for the numbers, whereas UK does offer reasonable numbers. It's just that Royal Enfield, we think should be strong in UK, and it's growing. We're growing the franchise really well there. In addition to that, then is US and Europe, where we're putting a lot of our energies behind, because US is by value the single largest market in the world today for motorcycles, not by unit numbers but by value, and it's also a very influential market. So that is our, let's say, rich country idea in terms of where we want to go to. In developing markets, I think it's pretty clear that our first biggest priority is Latin America. Within that, it is Colombia, and then certain other markets which we're looking at, perhaps Brazil and Mexico and surrounding markets, but those are still to be done. But Latin America is certainly number one, followed by Southeast Asia or ASEAN.
What will be the delivery plan for supplying to those markets? What kind of sales will justify setting up assembly plants in those overseas markets?
In a lot of markets where we've studied, where the benefit is not that much in terms of taxation, then we will not put up a plant. So it's only where there is a major, let's say, issue with completely built up units, which shipping from Chennai. Let's say in Brazil the taxation is over 80% in my understanding. So there we've not even gone in right now. We've said let's do Colombia, which is simpler to tackle in the first place. So there are different ways of thinking, but yes, eventually if push comes to shove, we will have to put up a plant. We will consider the lowest possible option to do that.
While the other two-wheeler players are struggling for single-digit growth, you have registered around 80% growth in the first 6 months of the year. What are the plans for the rest of the year, especially when the festival season is just around the corner?
Well, for us, our market is still supply constrained. So till now, as many motorcycles as we can put into the market, we're able to sell. We have a long order book as well of many months of motorcycles, so that is still to be filled out.
Where is Eicher Motors? I mean, the stock is no longer a 4-digit stock, it is a 5-digit stock. And a couple of years ago, it was a 3-digit stock. So the migration of Eicher Motors from 3-digit to 4-digit and from 4-digit to 5-digit, it has only happened in a matter of 4 or 5 years. Moving on with the perk up in demand, RPG Group company SEAT plans